Dreaming of a maple-infused escape to the Great White North? Hold that thought. As enchanting as Canada may seem, beneath the veneer lies a tapestry of challenges. Brace yourself for a reality check on why packing your bags might not be the wisest move. Expensive immigration process. The dream of a new beginning in Canada often starts with the labyrinthine immigration process. As the video aptly points out, this journey is not merely a matter of crossing borders. It demands a significant investment of time, financial resources, and emotional resilience. The intricate procedures and substantial costs underscore that moving to Canada is not for the faint of heart. From securing the right visas to navigating the complexities of express entry, prospective immigrants must tread carefully through bureaucratic waters. The financial aspect, in particular, cannot be overstated. In 2023, the Express Entry program's minimum funds requirement stands at $113,000 for a single person and $21,000 for a family of 3. This is a substantial sum, even for Canadians, let alone immigrants from most parts of the world. Realistically, one would need more cash than the minimum requirement to comfortably settle in Canada. The decision to migrate becomes not just a leap of faith, but a significant financial commitment. High cost of living. Canada, with its picturesque landscapes and vibrant cities, comes with a hefty price tag. The dream of homeownership may encounter a reality check as housing prices surge, especially in provinces like Ontario, Alberta, and British Columbia. Navigating the Canadian housing market requires not just financial acumen, but a willingness to grapple with an increasingly unattainable ideal. The cost of living extends beyond housing. Groceries, essential goods, and services all come with a price tag that might catch newcomers off guard. The affordability of life in Canada is a relative concept, with the realities of day-to-day expenses challenging the dream of a comfortable existence. It's essential for those considering a move to Canada to carefully weigh the financial implications against the perceived benefits. Challenging job market. While Canada offers opportunities aplenty, finding a good-paying job can be akin to navigating a maze. As the video suggests, the competitive job market, particularly for those without specialized skills in high demand, poses a considerable challenge. The elusive nature of these opportunities might prompt individuals to reassess their expectations when contemplating a move to the Great White North. Canada's economy may be robust, but the job market is not without its hurdles. The unemployment rate, currently at 7.8%, is higher than that of the United States. The demand for highly qualified professionals often leads to a competitive landscape where overqualified candidates vie for limited positions. The importance of Canadian work experience cannot be overstated, adding an additional layer of complexity for newcomers. Long adjustment period. Canada, known for its hospitality, doesn't guarantee an instant sense of belonging. The adjustment period, on average, spans a significant 5 years before comfort sets in, followed by another 5 to truly feel at home. This extended transition challenges the notion that moving to Canada is a swift and seamless process. The video sheds light on the reality that embracing Canadian life is not an overnight affair. Cultural nuances, social interactions, and the intricate dance of politeness and indirectness require time to navigate. The need for perseverance and a willingness to immerse oneself in the Canadian way of life becomes evident. Newcomers must be prepared for a journey of self-discovery and adaptation that extends well beyond the initial excitement of arrival. Taxation issues. The promise of social services and healthcare comes hand in hand with a rigorous taxation system. The video sheds light on the intricacies of Canadian taxes, emphasizing that almost half of one's earnings may find their way into various tax brackets. It's a financial landscape that requires careful consideration and planning. While the tax rates might seem comparable to some other developed nations, the devil lies in the details. The highest tax bracket in Canada starts at income earned over $214,000 Canadian dollars, equivalent to about $153,000 US dollars. Each province or territory adds its own layer of income tax, with Quebec standing out with an additional 26% tax on income earned over $106,000 Canadian dollars. Navigating this complex tax terrain becomes a crucial aspect of financial planning for those considering a move to Canada. Cultural and social challenges. As newcomers step into the Canadian social fabric, they encounter subtle nuances. Politeness, often masking true feelings, can lead to a somewhat passive-aggressive and avoiding culture. This contrast in communication styles, especially in bustling urban centers, might pose challenges for those accustomed to more direct interactions. The intricacies of Canadian social dynamics, as highlighted in the video, demand a keen awareness of cultural subtleties. Building genuine connections requires an understanding of the fine balance between politeness and honesty. The dynamic varies between small towns, where authenticity often prevails, and larger cities, where the challenge lies in deciphering unspoken messages and navigating social intricacies. Harsh winter climate. While the beauty of a Canadian winter is undeniable, its harshness is equally noteworthy. The prospect of enduring freezing temperatures for months can be a deterrent for those not enamored with the cold. The video paints a vivid picture of a winter that demands more than just cozy sweaters, but a robust affinity for extreme weather. Canada's winter is not just a season, it's an experience. The cold, especially in cities like Quebec, Edmonton, Regina, or Winnipeg, where temperatures routinely drop below 30 degrees Celsius, can be a formidable challenge. Snowfall, measured in feet rather than inches, transforms cities into winter wonderlands, but also requires residents to navigate icy roads and manage the practicalities of daily life in sub-zero temperatures. The allure of a white winter might wane when faced with the practicalities of shoveling snow and enduring months of bone-chilling cold. Limited job opportunities for immigrants. Despite its economic prosperity, Canada's job market comes with its caveats. Newcomers, especially those lacking specialized skills or Canadian work experience, may find securing employment a formidable task. The competitive landscape, as highlighted in the video, underscores the importance of realistic expectations when embarking on a new professional journey in Canada. While Canada's economy boasts growth, finding a suitable job remains a challenge for many immigrants. Employers often place a premium on Canadian work experience, making it difficult for newcomers to break into the job market. The need for networking, skill development, and persistence becomes paramount for those hoping to establish a fulfilling career in their new home. Issues with internet service. In an era reliant on digital connectivity, Canada's internet infrastructure becomes a potential stumbling block. Slow speeds and data caps, particularly in suburban and rural areas, can pose challenges for those depending on online businesses or remote work. The struggle for reliable internet connectivity underscores the need for strategic location choices for prospective residents. While major cities may offer relatively decent internet options, the video rightly highlights the challenges faced by those in suburban and rural areas. The digital divide can be stark, with some areas having limited access to high-speed internet. For individuals reliant on online businesses, remote work, or even just staying connected with friends and family abroad, the availability and quality of internet services become crucial considerations when contemplating a move to Canada. Geographic spread and isolation. Canada's vast expanse, while awe-inspiring, can also be isolating. The extensive distances between cities, combined with the country's low population density, might present logistical challenges. This geographic spread, as portrayed in the video, prompts a consideration of how isolation and travel limitations could impact the lifestyle and connections individuals are accustomed to. The sheer size of Canada, the second largest country globally, is a double-edged sword. While it offers unparalleled natural beauty and diverse landscapes, it also means that some areas are sparsely populated. For those accustomed to the convenience of urban living, the vast distances between cities can be isolating. Traveling for hours to reach the next major city becomes not just a journey, but a strategic consideration in maintaining connections and accessing essential services. Thanks for watching.